Overview. DuraMem and PuraMem membranes have been specifically designed to perform molecular separations in organic solvents. They are made as flat sheets, which are rolled into spiral wound module format for use in commercial installations. Within the spiral wound module, the feed stream is separated into two new liquid streams. The retentate contains the larger molecules that cannot pass through the membrane. The organic solvent can pass through the membrane and forms the permeate. Separation. Here you can see how the spiral wound module works. During normal operation, pressure is applied to the liquid feed by a pump, and this pressure pushes the molecules through the membrane. But it's just the solvent, the small gray molecules, that passes through the membrane. If we increase the pore size, then both the solvent molecules and oligomer molecules pass through the membrane, whereas the larger polymer molecules are kept in the retentate. Thus, membranes of different pore size can be used to carry out different types of separation. The small pore membrane can be used to concentrate all the solutes. With a larger pore membrane, the polymer can be purified by removing the oligomeric impurities. Construction. A typical spiral wound module contains several membrane leaves that are wrapped around the permeate tube. Zooming into one leaf, we see that each leaf contains several materials: 2 layers of membrane, a feed spacer to distribute the feed flow over the membrane surface, and a permeate spacer to allow liquid that is permeated through the membrane to flow down the leaf to the permeate tube. Fluid dynamics. Zooming out again, we can now see how the liquids flow inside the spiral wound module. The feed flow, represented by the combined brown and fawn arrows, flows along the length of the module parallel to the permeate tube. The liquid permeating through the membrane, represented by the fawn arrows, flows in a spiral flow path along the permeate spacer inside the membrane leaf to the permeate tube. Finally, the retentate, represented by the brown arrow, flows along the length of the module parallel to the permeate tube and leaves the module. These special membranes can provide unique benefits for end users by adding value to their production processes.
Evonik. Power to create.